Yep, welcome back to this Hungry Adventures. Guys, finally I have escaped. From this 48 hours of rainfall. Yeah, it's tropical storm has come from South China Sea. And I spent 3 days in Tacuapa district of Phang Nga. It was raining like non-stop, 48 hours. I spent 2 nights at one place and there was just nothing to do because rain has no day off. Rain doesn't take a break. It was maybe 15 minutes only break when I got a chance to get some food and get back to the hotel. A dish with fish. This one is shrimps with stinky beans or stink beans. I have never tried it before. This is the omelette with crab that I've eaten last time. It was tasty. And a soup. Rainy weather, soup is just a must. Besides that, it was like horrible. Dark gray sky. Everything was dark gray and yellow. Yellow water. I went to the beach, yeah, real quick. Test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test. Got wet, completely wet, but it was unpleasant. Yeah, so I couldn't film anything because it was raining. Yeah, and now I'm heading to Khao Sok National Park. And finally it's not raining anymore. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Maybe the rain is coming again in 5 minutes, in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, but we'll see. So yeah, if you got some time and empty space in your stomach, as always, then enjoy this hungry adventure in Phang Nga province on the way to Khao Sok National Park. Let's go. Guys, there is another viewpoint nearby, so I think we can give it a shot. And since it's not raining at the moment, we can enjoy the view, because the view might be pretty attractive. You see so many clouds, so many mountains, and I just want to enjoy for a moment while it's not raining, because 2.5 days without leaving hotel room. I think this is it. Wow! Wow! Yeah, guys, it's not raining anymore, at least for now. That's why I keep driving to the national park. I don't know what time they're closing. Usually national parks close at 4. But this one is closing at 7. However, I think after 5 p.m. it will be too dark here. Dark and wet again. Anyway, we'll see. the park is closed because of the rain, and the security says, if I understand it right, that there is a flooding. Yeah, a lot of water is leaking down, is running down from mountains. Yeah, so that's why they have closed. But yeah, usually they close around 6 p.m. That's what's written there. And for Thai people, price is 40 baht. For foreigners, 300 baht. 300 ฝรั่งคนไทย40 baht. And even for child, if your child is Farang, 150 baht. Yeah, that's everywhere here. Anyway, I think I gotta keep driving to the lake to see, at least to enjoy the view of the lake, and maybe to stay there overnight. And if it's raining, or it just depends on the rain, maybe I will keep driving to Suratani, but maybe stay on the lake if there is something to do, something interesting, because I don't want to stuck here because of the rain again. I'd love to keep driving, because 2 days at one place without living room makes me crazy. Wow. And I need to find a salon to shave this horrible thing. Okay, let's keep driving. คุณจบที่สุดอะไรคุณจบที่สุดอะไรต้มยำโบราณจบที่สุดใช่ไหมต้มยำโบราณโอเคผมเอาต้มยำโบราณด้วยเอาส้มตำด้วยครับส้มตำไทยเผ็ดได้ครับมิกกี้อ่านได้ไหมมิกกี้ไม่ใช่โดเรมอน Some tom, and it looks like yen tofu, but it's tom yum. Let's try. And the tastiest coffee ever. It's really strong. Okay, you guys ask for close up. I'm trying to get closer as much as possible. And now it's time to eat. But I think this gonna make me feel better, much better. Okay, I gotta try this sometime and tell you straight away. And pretty spicy. But real delicious. Excellent food, man. Real delicious. So yeah, it's kind of noodles, tom yum noodles, let's say. But these are with pork and bami noodles. These are the noodles, and half egg and something else I have no idea about. And these are like chips, like Lay's chips, but made of very crispy, crunchy. Let's try the broth. Sweet, spicy, and pretty delicious. And these pink slices of pork. Amazing. After a long drive, This is really something that can refill, recharge you. Amazing. Okay, I gotta finish it and keep driving until it's too dark. Yeah, too dark to drive. Don't want to drive here while it's dark. Too dangerous. Okay, I'll see you in a sec.